start out with French boule. And cut it right down the center. Okay, very important. You want to cut your toast probably about 1 inch thick so it holds up to the crushed avocado. You start out with a little bit of butter, some olive oil. Finish it with fresh herbs in the butter. It's going to give you nice aromatics, a lot of flavor. Well, that's toasting. We're going to take our avocados. I'm going to roll the avocado around to the back of the knife. It's going to create a nice little score. You're going to split that open. Now take the back of the knife very careful, okay? You want to just kind of crack into the seed and pull out the seed there. With your avocado, you're going to squeeze it out, okay? You're going to get nice, firm, ripe avocados in the store. You're going to feel them. You want to feel nice and soft, just not too soft, okay? And no marks on it. You want the skin to be very consistent all the way through. Okay, note discolorization. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of olive oil, a little splash of sherry vinegar, just to wake it up a little bit. Salt, about ½ tablespoon. Now with a lemon, instead of cutting it in half and dealing with all the seeds, you want to have a lemon cheek, okay, like this. You don't have to deal with any of the seeds. So you just put that right in there. Okay, now we have fresh basil here with fresh dill. You can run a coarse knife through that. It's gonna go into the pot. All right, crushed avocado, back of a spoon. Turn it this way. Now you still have this side perfectly clean. Let it macerate for at least 5 to 10 minutes, okay? So all those flavors kind of come together. If you taste it right now, you're gonna taste all the flavors individually. However, 5 or 10 minutes later, it's all gonna come together. So now we have heirloom tomatoes here, right? We have the little cherry guys, flavor bombs. We're gonna toss those into the bowl. You're gonna take your tomatoes, you're gonna cut them all different shapes and sizes and wedges. Okay, that's gonna make the dish really nice. The word for that in French is called sauvage. Sauvage is organized mess. You have some shallots here. I'm gonna slice the shallot down like this. I'm gonna fine brunoise on the shallot. We have the tomatoes, we have herbs, we have the shallot. Now we're gonna have a little sherry vinegar. Extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna season that. Tomatoes are gonna absorb all that salt flavor. It's not even gonna taste salty. It's gonna be nice, natural, delicious. The same thing. You're gonna let this marinate for just a little bit, okay? We have fresh English peas. I'm gonna add the peas to that. About 2 tablespoons of fresh English peas. Stir that up very nicely. Faucet is great for washing your knife. Nice steady stream of water here. And plus this nubby little part right here. Knives are slippery, hands are slippery. You won't cut yourself. French breakfast radish. Right here, we're gonna do a little slice. Most chefs would use a mandolin for this. I choose not to. Get a little more delicate, a little more intricate with your knife skills. Now we go back to our guacamole. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit on the center of the plate. Okay, what's that gonna do? It's gonna act as the glue. Nice hard crusty bread right in the center there. Nice scoop of avocado. Here's the fun part. Now the toast doesn't even move because a little life hack, you put a little dollop right there. And we're just gonna plate that like so. Now if your tomato falls off, don't even worry about it. That's all we're looking for, an organized chaos. It's like it was meant to be. And there it is, celebration of spring.